how to do a figure 8 scorpion variation. Step 1, we go step. Step 2, we lift up our knee, freeze. Step 3, we crouch down, hook. Step 4, we execute the scorpion. Go around, all the way back to the beginning. From here, we complete our 6 step. All the way around, and to the other side we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completing our 6 step all the way around. And again, boom, boom. Completing your 6 step. Practice this until you feel comfortable and use this as inspiration to create your own figure 8 variation. For more help with your dancing, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.